How to open a Crypto.com account. Hello everyone. Crypto.com is a global cryptocurrency exchange that supports a wide range of digital assets and offers strong security to protect user accounts. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Crypto.com account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from Crypto.com, visit coinaz.net/crypto.com. Or click on the link in the description of this video to open a Crypto.com account. Let's get started. First, you need to download the Crypto.com app. Click here to download the app. Click Open. This is a referral code. If you don't have one, just enter this code to get bonus rewards. Then, click Confirm. Click Sign Up. First, enter your email address. Next, click here. Then, click Continue with email. Please drag the slider to complete the captcha. A verification link will be sent to your email. Please check your inbox. This is the email I received from Crypto.com. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. Click here. I'll choose Default Browser App. Next, enter your phone number. Then click Continue. Crypto.com has sent a verification code to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it here. Now, you need to set up a passcode for your account. This passcode will be used to unlock and confirm transactions. Confirm the passcode. The next step is identity verification. Click Agree and Continue. Click Start. First, select the country where your document was issued. Next, choose the type of document you want to use for verification: passport, driver's license, or identity card. Crypto.com wants to access your camera. Click Allow. Place your document within the frame to proceed with verification. Next, you need to complete facial verification. Click Start. Please follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. You have now completed all identity verification steps. The review result will be sent to you via email. I've just shown you how to open a Crypto.com account. Wishing you success.